what measures could streaming platforms like Spotify actually implement to better detect and prevent this fake AI generated content? Are there best practices maybe from other industries that could be applied here? You did mention, like LinkedIn, for example, has already got a system in place. It's never going to be a copy paste from another industry, but there should be a system already that's working to spot this kind of content.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, as it happens, we've been talking about crypto as well in the last podcast, and we've been talking about how crypto is really changing the world. I feel the biggest application of crypto actually is the blockchain, the technology which runs crypto, and what crypto or what blockchain has in its fundamentals is a open ledger. So you can actually be able to pinpoint who uploaded the content in the first place, have a distributed ledger so that's openly available, you can verify who the actual artist is, and if it matches the artist we want to use. In an example earlier, Britney Spears, for example, we actually got Britney Spears' next album, and we put that onto onto Spotify or YouTube or any other the platform we use. So that already exists as technology. Someone will probably build a, a version of the tool which can then allow people to authenticate users. And with open ledger and the technology behind, we can actually create a fair way to attribute as well as identify different artists.
Yeah, yeah. Now, AI tools have obviously made it a lot easier to create these fraudulent tracks and albums, but they also offer potential solutions. Do you think AI itself could play a role in detecting and mitigating this kind of abuse? I mean, we've spoken before about, images and voiceovers, etc., being kind of imprinted with some sort of watermark that you can detect that it is actually not real. So are we going to see something similar with music maybe?
Yes, potentially. What I'd say, Megan, is that, for example, when you generate content using AI, the way you actually detect the content is using AI is AI is built on generating the next word, the next character, the next bit of music, for example. So that kind of way of tokenizing things and actually to be able to know what's coming next based on the previous token can be used to detect if the content is AI or not. So that's one thing you can definitely use.